How to enter referral code in Cash App. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter a referral code in Cash App. If you just downloaded the app and want to take advantage of the referral bonus, you're in the right place. Entering a referral code allows you to unlock rewards and special offers, but you need to make sure you do it correctly to claim the bonus. So in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to enter a referral code on Cash App without any confusion. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important details. Now let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. Once you're inside the app, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a small profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile settings where you can manage various account options. Now scroll down carefully until you spot an option labeled Enter Referral Code. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed. At this point, a new field will appear, allowing you to type in the referral code. This is the code that was shared with you by a friend or one that you may have found somewhere. Be sure to enter the code accurately. Even a small typo can prevent you from receiving your referral bonus. Double-check for any errors before moving forward so you don't miss out on the rewards that come with using a valid referral code. Once you've entered your referral code, go ahead and tap the Enter button to confirm your submission. This step ensures that your code has been successfully processed by Cash App. Now you might be wondering what happens next. If the referral code is valid and meets all the requirements set by Cash App, you'll qualify for a reward. The bonus amount will be credited directly to your account, giving you free cash to use within the app. However, keep in mind that the reward amount may vary depending on ongoing promotions or specific referral program terms. Some promotions might require you to send a certain amount of money or make a transaction before receiving your bonus. To avoid any confusion, it's always a good idea to check Cash App's latest referral program details to understand the exact conditions for earning your reward. And that's it. You've successfully entered a referral code in Cash App, and now you're all set to receive any applicable rewards. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.